Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair tutorial for you today. Today I'm going to be creating big and curly hair using Bantu knots. I'm starting off on really stretched, dried hair, and I'm going to be using water, olive oil, and some African shea butter. I'm just going to start out by sectioning my hair off to create 4 Bantu knots on each side, and I'm going to do a slight quick finger detangle. A quick spritz, not to completely saturate the hair, but just dampen it a bit so that it's easy to work with. I'm going to go ahead and apply my oil and shea butter and work it into the hair before I twist it into the Bantu knot. Two more sections of my hair just so you guys can see how I'm creating the Bantu knot. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side of my head off of camera, and I'll come back with the finished results. A great Bantu knot is to pull the hair taut while you're twisting it, and also make sure to wind the hair around the knot pretty tightly. And you want to also make sure that the hair is completely dry before you go through and separate the strands. So I allowed my hair to air dry for about 2 hours prior to taking down the knots. And I'm just going to unravel all of the knots. I already did the other side. Look at that shine. Look at the shine that olive oil mixed with shea butter gives me. It's my favorite combo for my natural hair. So I decided to pair this look with a pair of glass dangle earrings and a side part to go ahead and complete the look, to give me that big 80s inspired glam hair that I was going for, and I loved it. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and mess with it until I get the completed look that I like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.